Such a great location to stay in maintenance-free townhome with private courtyard and detached two-car garage. Walking distance to Haile Market Square and close to Celebration Pointe. The townhome with 1442 square feet 2-bed/2 bath office boasts high ceilings, crown molding, insulated windows and gas fireplace. You will enjoy this townhome as you are greeted with the open plan with laminate wood and tile flooring, and oak carpet. The exterior is fully maintained by the association. You will absolutely love to call this place home.